behalf of Southwest Airlines and especially this flight, we would like to be the first to welcome you to Pittsburgh. For your safety and the safety of those around you, remain seated with your seatbelts securely fastened. Your seat back tray tables in the floor upright and locked position and all carry-on stowed. Use caution when opening overhead bins out of place may have shipped during flight. This is a termination of this flight number. Please make sure you have all your belongings as you exit the aircraft. Make sure to check those seat back pockets around the seat back on the floor. Make sure you have everything in your person as you exit the aircraft. Once you do, you will not be allowed to reboard the aircraft to retrieve anything you may have left behind again.
Rồi các bạn can comment, bây giờ máy bay đã hạ xuống phi trường Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania nha. Rồi mình sắp về tới nhà rồi, đây là phi trường cuối cùng.
Tablets, anything you may have taken out, double check at this time. Make sure they're back in your person, back in your bag. It has been a pleasure sharing part of our day with all of you. We know you have many choices when you fly. We thank you for choosing us here at Southwest Airlines. Welcome to Pittsburgh.